If you're experiencing sync issues on DIA systems, follow these straightforward steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem efficiently. Step 1. Check internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. A weak or intermittent connection can cause sync issues. Test your connection by browsing other websites or running a speed test. Step 2. Update DIA systems. Make sure you are using the latest version of DIA systems. Check for any available updates and install them, as updates often include bug fixes and improvements that can resolve sync issues. Step 3. Review sync settings. Go to the sync settings in DIA systems and verify that all configurations are correct. Ensure that the correct data sources are selected and that any necessary credentials are entered accurately. Step 4. Clear cache. Clearing the cache can help resolve sync issues. Navigate to the settings of your browser or app, find the option to clear cache and cookies, and perform the action. Restart the application afterward. Step 5. Contact support. If the issue persists after trying the above steps, reach out to DIA System support for assistance. Provide them with detailed information about the sync issue, including any error messages you may have encountered. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve sync issues on DIA systems effectively. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek further help from support.